welcome back to my channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you guys my coffee bar. I know a lot of you guys have been waiting to see this, especially the ones that follow me on Instagram, because I'm always showing you guys my coffee and what I do and how I drink it, and show you guys my machines. Today I'm going to show you guys my coffee bar, kind of like give you a little tour of it and how it looks. And then at the end of the video, I'm going to show you guys how I mainly do my coffee. So let's get started. Sergio actually did these shelves. They didn't come with the house. This was just like an empty space and I just needed to fill it with something. And I first started out with just the shelves and we had this here, and I figured let's just put the coffee there, but slowly it started evolving into more of like a legit coffee bar. So the first row doesn't really matter, it just has some random art, doesn't even make sense. My cat always knocks it down, so just ignore that one. But the first row is where I put all of my travel mugs and iced coffee cups. I put a lot of my everyday coffee mugs on this row. Right now, most of them are in the sink. So if you guys want to see a coffee mug collection, give this video a thumbs up because I would love to do something like that. So moving on to the main section is where I have both my coffee machines. And let me explain. I do have two because I started off with the white little one. That's a Nespresso Mini Essenza, but I ended up buying the Nespresso Vertuo line. I don't know if I'm gonna keep the other one. I mean, two is kind of overkill. You really don't need two, but for now I have them both. Then I'm gonna get closer just to show you guys the syrups that I own. Right now I have the pumpkin spice and the butter pecan, and they have been really nice for the fall and winter time. I actually had a separate container where I had all my spoons, but it broke yesterday, literally yesterday. So right now I'm just placing all my spoons right here. And I forgot to put it, but this is my Aeroccino 3. It pretty much just froths your milk if you want a nice foamy warm milk. It also does it cold, so if you guys are doing iced coffee, you can use it for your iced coffee and gives you some really nice foam. These are my machines. This is the Nespresso Vertuo Next, and then this is the Mini Essenza. So they're both pretty good. The only difference I would say is that this one gives you more like options. If you guys want more like lattes, you could still do lattes with the other one. It's really hard to explain. I'm gonna do a versus video, you know, virtual line versus the original line, because it was really confusing at the beginning, but now I kind of understand what the difference is. And then right here is where I keep all of my pods. I got these containers on Amazon. I'll link them down below. This one is for the virtual line because the pods are different. And then this one is for the original line. So if you guys want to see, man, there's so many video topic ideas that I have. So if you guys want to see my favorite pods for each line, let me know. I'll make a video about that because I have tried quite a bit, mainly the flavored ones. But yeah, let me know if you guys would be interested in that. And then the bar cart has a drawer. I use it for extra pods that don't fit in those containers. This is where I keep all the straws for my iced coffee. I'll link some of these and my favorite ones in the description below so you guys can see what I like. But that's what's in that drawer. And the cabinet doors, I'm not going to show you guys because it's really a mess in there and it's not really related to the coffee. On the side, I keep a recycle bag for Nespresso. What they do is if you want to recycle your pods, you can order a bag and then they pay for shipping, so you could send it back and they recycle the pods, which I think is awesome. But yeah, that is my whole bar setup. If I miss something, let me know in the comment section below and I'll make sure to answer it. All right, let's make the coffee. So now that you guys are familiar with my coffee bar, I'm gonna show you guys how I do my coffee. I'm obviously gonna use the little machine because right now this one's not working because it needs to be descaled, which is so annoying, but you have to do it. So let me go get the almond milk, which is usually the type of milk that I like, and I'll be right back. All right, so I have all my ingredients right in front of me. This is pretty much all you need to do a basic latte. And in this case, like I said, it's gonna be a butter pecan latte. Okay, so once this finishes, I usually let it sit for like 30 seconds. What happens is that the actual like milk at the bottom separates from the foam. So when you pour it out, it leaves the foam inside the frother and the milk comes out. And then you could either spoon out the foam or just dump it in. You'll see. that's pretty much how you do a simple latte, and you can customize the flavor with syrups. You can add like stuff on it, but this is nice and simple for me. Butter pecan latte. Let's try it. So good. I could actually taste the butter pecan. What did I use again? Forgot what pot I used. Oh, this one. This one pairs really nice with the butter pecan. So now I'm just gonna go read a book, get cozy on the couch. My baby is sleeping, so I'm just gonna wait for him to wake up while I drink my coffee. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. This is definitely my first coffee video, hopefully not my last. If you guys like it, please, please, please give it a thumbs up so that I know to make more videos. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.